Good morning. I'm going to show you how I start my day. They say your body is your temple. So if you ever been to a temple or masjid or synagogue or church, you notice that they always clean it in the morning time. So that's how you should treat your body. You should cleanse it from all the impurities from the night before. So I'm going to start my day off with some green charetta. So what I did is I took my green charetta powder. Let me show you. Here's the powder. You can find this on my website. Just click the link in the bio. So I boiled it about five minutes, and it's really green and it's really bitter. If you tried the green charetta, then you already know. So what I do is I like to add a little bit of lemon or lime to it to help with the bitterness. So I have one lime right here. I'm going to, I don't know if that's gonna, I hope it's gonna help a little bit, because green charetta is known as the king of bitters. The king of bitters. Now, has so many benefits, and cleansing the body is definitely one of the many benefits. So it's very bitter, as I said already. Not only will you not like it, but other things that don't belong to your body don't like it either. So it's going to flush it all out. So here we go. It's not that bad, but the aftertaste, it may stay in your throat for maybe a few hours. Listen, it's not that bad when you add the lemon. It's not that bad. You drink this throughout the day. you drink this throughout the day. Your body will get accustomed to it, I shall say. Okay. So now we got that out the way, I like to reward my body with some OJ, to take that nasty bitter taste out of my mouth. This is freshly squeezed orange juice. Okay. Now that we got that out the way, it's time for my smoothie. So what I do, let me show you. So this is bananas. I put 4 bananas and a cup of orange juice. I like to, mix it up. Sometimes I have a lot of times I have mango in it, but right now I don't have any ripe mango. So I actually pre-blended that already. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add. Are you ready? I need drum roll. I need some sound effects in here. I'm about to add the Purwaceng. See, that I should be hearing you. Right now I should be hearing people screaming all around me, Purwaceng. Like I shouldn't be able to say Purwaceng and somebody gonna run up and knock on my door. Hold on. Okay, here's the Purwaceng. Give me a second, let me get my spoon. So, my uncle told me he used 4 tablespoons of Purwaceng. I tried 4 tablespoons of Purwaceng, and listen, I added to 1 smoothie before, and it was too much because the taste. It's not the best taste, not the worst taste, but so what I like to do, I like to add 2 scoops. So I may make 3 shakes throughout the day. So altogether in each shake, I'll put about 2 tablespoons of Purwaceng. So that means I'm taking in 6 tablespoons a day. Now, let me talk about Purwaceng. Purwaceng, I had Purwaceng yesterday, and it had me in the gym for 4 hours. My friend, my friend was nervous. They said, I thought something happened to you because I'm in Cali, Colombia. It's not a very safe place. So I thought something happened to you because usually you go to the gym around 30 minutes to 1 hour. But that Purwaceng, as I'm working out, I was doing chest yesterday, right? I'm working out and every set I keep getting stronger and stronger. I have more energy. This Purwaceng, it increases your aggressiveness, testosterone, and bear with me, I hope I pronounced this right, the luteinizing hormone, right? So pretty much, I've said this before, that the ancient Indonesian kings used to consume this before they ready for war. So this is something that the people, the army should be taking. Like if you're ready to you get it popping, but I like to mellow down a little bit and use it for the gym. That's not mixing great. So anyway, now I have something called Tungat Ali. I'm not gonna mix them two together, but they're a powerful combination together. Like, I don't want to put the Tungat Ali in my smoothie because the Tungat Ali is very bitter, just like the green charetta. So with the Tungat Ali, I like to do it the same way I consume the green charetta, which is with lemon, to take out the bitterness. But the Purwaceng, I just have it with my smoothie by itself, and I'm pumped. Now I'm ready to go to the gym. I'm ready to last for hours. I could have went longer than 4 hours. Let me tell you something too. This is a little preview. I'm gonna have a video where I'm talking about sex and things like that. What I will tell you is, I remember years ago, I would never like to have sex before, like in the morning, because if I'm going to the gym, because I wouldn't have any more energy. So if I have sex in the morning, that means I have to wait till later to go to the gym. With Purwaceng, it allows me to have sex in the morning, and I can go on until the lady is satisfied, said that like a gentleman, without me, coming. So I can still go to the gym because I didn't let any out, because that's the energy that it gives me. Now that sounds amazing, right? But anyway, that's just a little preview. When I have my page, talking about sex and experiences, I'll explain more. I'll go more in depth. So this is pretty much a thick smoothie. Looks like chocolate milk, right? It's the Purwaceng. It's not bad. So I had two tablespoons of Purwaceng, 1 cup of orange juice, and 4 bananas. And I don't even taste the Purwaceng, so that's a good ratio. Adding 4, you're gonna taste too much of it. That's pretty much it. So you can grab the Purwaceng on my website. Link is in the bio. If you have purchased the Purwaceng before, let me tell you something. Use it. Use it, consume it, and let me know, do you feel the energy? Now, how do you know? Well, first I will say this. If you're noticing that you're going longer, whatever it is, in the gym, in the bedroom, standing ups, whatever it is, the Purwaceng is working. Now, back when I was in Indonesia, I used to have the roots. I didn't have the powder. So I would just take a handful of roots and stuff it in the bottle, in water, let it sit for about 30 minutes till all the nutrients is absorbed in the water, then I would drink it. In 15 minutes, I would feel like a euphoric feeling, like I can fly, powerful. So with 4 scoops, I didn't feel that feeling. So I'm pretty sure I have to add more. But so I'm gonna be playing around with it, and then maybe today I may try 10 tablespoons. Me personally, then I'll get back with you and let you know what I feel. I'm gonna keep adding more until I get to that level that I felt when I was in Indonesia taking the roots by itself. So I can tell you how many tablespoons will get you to that level. But what I can say is with 4 tablespoons within a day, I was able to transform into a beast in the bedroom and in the gym. Anyway, peace. Oh yeah, I don't know if I said this already, but you can purchase the Purwaceng on my website. Link is in the bio. Now, even though I said I don't mix Tangat Ali and Purwaceng together because the bitterness of the Tangat Ali, but if you can stomach it, what I will tell you is that Purwaceng and Tangat Ali is a powerful combination because the Purwaceng gives you that aggressiveness, that energy to last for bouts. And Tangat Ali is gonna boost that libido. So now you got the aggressiveness and the energy mixed with the libido booster. Together, you're unstoppable. You are a machine. Peace.